Stop trying to be interesting. That's why you feel awkward. Every time you walk into a room thinking, what should I say? You've already lost. Here's the hidden truth nobody tells you. Awkwardness isn't about social skill. It's about self-focus. And the second you flip that switch, everything changes. Hold on. I'm not about to tell you to just be confident or memorize pickup lines. That's garbage advice. There's a psychological principle from Harvard researchers called the spotlight effect. It proves you massively overestimate how much people notice you. Translation: nobody's analyzing you the way you think they are. You feel awkward because you're performing. Confident people, they're observing. That's the difference. In 2018, a junior sales rep in Chicago named Alex struggled with networking events. Sweaty palms, forced jokes, zero real connections. Then he made one change. He stopped trying to impress people. Instead, he ran what he called the curiosity shift. Here's how it works. Layer 1. Assume you're the least interesting person in the room. Sounds counterintuitive. It's powerful. When you drop the need to impress, pressure disappears. Layer 2. Ask high-quality, specific questions. Not, what do you do? Ask, what's the most challenging part of your job right now? That question activates emotion. Emotion builds connection. According to research from Harvard Business School, people who ask follow-up questions are rated as more likable and more competent. Notice that. You don't need better stories. You need better questions. Layer 3, mirror and expand. When they answer, don't shift back to yourself. Say, that's interesting. What made you get into that? Or, how did that play out? You're guiding the spotlight onto them. And here's the crazy part. When people feel seen, they associate that feeling with you. That's not charisma, that's psychology. Most people walk into conversations thinking, how do I sound smart? High-status communicators think, how do I make this person feel understood? That subtle shift changes how people treat you. Now, let's make this tactical. Here's the 3-step framework to talk to anyone without feeling awkward. Step 1. Enter with observation, not performance. Before speaking, notice one detail: their energy, their environment, their vibe. Use it. I like your take on that. You seem calm in chaos. How do you do that? Specific beats generic every time. Step 2. Follow the 70-30 rule. Let them talk 70%. You guide 30%. You control direction with questions, not monologues. Step 3. Exit with value. Don't just drift away. Say, I enjoyed this. Let's continue this sometime. Or connect them to something useful. People remember how you made them feel at the end. Alex used this system for 90 days. He didn't become louder. He became intentional. Within 6 months, he closed bigger deals and built stronger relationships, not because he talked more, because he listened better. Remember this. Awkwardness is self-consciousness. Confidence is outward focus. You don't need to change your personality. You need to change your attention. Most people will keep overthinking every word. Or you can flip the spotlight and instantly raise your social value. Your move. Like this if you're done overthinking conversations. Comment if you're applying this today. Subscribe because in the next video, I'm breaking down the exact social skills that change how people treat you. Let's get it.